Next problem for simplest form, that is convert cos inverse of 1 by root of x square minus 1 for every x greater than 1 into simplest form. Just observe here, okay, what is the form of x square minus 1? X is the unknown term, is that? Okay, we already know that. Okay, using proper substitution and using the properties of inverse trigonometric function, the inverse trigonometric functions are converted into the simplest form. Here it is x square minus 1 is the term is there. Okay, what you have to substitute for x, for which that is x square minus 1 form ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ trigonometric identities ನಿಮಗೆ already ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ already ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, which are these, as you know already, that is 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x, or this can be written as sec square x minus 1, that is equal to tan square x. Sec square minus x square x minus 1 is equal to tan square x, or if you know already, it is 1 plus cot square x, it is equal to cosec square x, or this can be written as cosec square x minus 1 is equal to cot square x. Cosec square x minus 1 is equal to cot square x. This is in the form of 1 plus x square. These are in the form of x square minus 1. Even though 1 plus x square form ನೊಳಗದವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 plus x square ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, either if you substitute x replaced by tan theta or cot theta. In situation x square minus 1 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ angles ಬರ್ತಾವು ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, if you substituting x as sec theta or x as cosec theta. This is in the form of, these are in the form of x square minus 1. That's why here it is x square minus 1 is there. If you choose, that is replace x by sec theta or cosec theta. Okay, I substitute or put x is equal to sec theta. X equal to sec theta, or theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to sec inverse of x. This is by the definition of inverse trigonometric function. Okay, substituting here is the simplest form becomes cot inverse of 1 by root of sec x is sec theta, x squared is sec square theta minus 1. Then this is simplified as cot inverse of 1 by root of sec square theta minus 1 is sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. That's why this is root of tan square theta, square root cancelled out. That is cot inverse of 1 by tan theta. Okay, this implies cot inverse of 1 by tan theta is cot theta. Cot inverse of cot theta is theta. As you know the property, that is cot inverse of cot x is equal to x. That's why cot inverse of cot theta is theta. What is theta? Theta is sec inverse of x is the simplest form of this problem. Convert tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. X lies between 0 to pi. Convert into simplest form. Okay, here it is. There is no x term. Here is the trigonometric angles is there. Okay, that's why first we have to convert this into simplest form. First reduce in the half angle form or generally compound angle form. And the angles which you have to reduce into in terms of inverse angles, then we go for the simplest form. If it is 1 minus cos x and 1 plus cos x in terms of tan is what? Now here it is 1 minus cos x, as you know already half angle formula. What is it? Is cos 2x, already know that it is 2 cos square x minus 1, or if you reduce x is x by 2, this cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Okay, or another solution here is, as you know already another formula, that is cos 2x is equal to in terms of sin 1 minus 2 sin square x, or half angle formula cos x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Sin square x by 2, or this can be written as 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2, or this can be written as 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2. 2 sin square x by 2. Replace 1 minus cos x is replaced by 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x is replaced by 2 cos square x by 2. Now this simplest form becomes, that is tan inverse of root as it is 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2 Okay, similar, 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. The next step here is 2 cancelled out, that is tan inverse of, it is sin square x by 2 divided by root as it is, sin square x by 2 divided by cos square x by 2 is tan square x by 2. Next here it is square root cancelled out, it is tan inverse of tan x by 2 becomes tan inverse of tan x, as you know the property, that is tan inverse of tan x is x. That's why tan inverse of tan x by 2 is x by 2 is the simplest form of this problem.